Hello everybody and welcome to the video. So what we have here today is the second Monte Carlo Discus. This one's in a bit of rough shape. It's got scratches all over the blades. This fan, well, a kid stayed here, and this was in a kid's room, so it's a bit rough. Exact same thing as the other one. Exact same fan. It's on a wall control. It's missing the plastic piece, but it's alright. Okay, go to low. Here's low speed. Go to medium. We'll go to high now. This one shakes a little bit. Kind of like rattles. See the chain rattling. This was the video of the second Monte Carlo Discuss. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.